Hi friends, today me and my brother thought of making a easy and simple superhero costume of our own. So we selected the theme Captain America. So we planned to make three things: Captain America shield, Captain America face mask, and Captain America design for his t-shirt. We made everything with paper and cardboard, nothing more than that. For this, I took three color papers: red, blue, and white. First, I made circles in different sizes and a star with white paper. Now I place it one over the other like this, shown in the image. Now the Captain America design is ready. We placed it in the t-shirt. For the second one, I made the Captain America shield just like the design by repeating the same process. After that, I placed the shield over the cardboard. We made a small handle behind the cardboard to make it look like a real shield, so that it is much easier to hold in the hand. The third one is a face mask. For that, I took a blue color paper. I drew a face-like structure and cut it like this. Now I placed cardboard behind it. And for tying it, I placed two ropes on the sides. Look how good the face mask is. It's very simple and easy as we made it with color paper. Hi friends, now I am Captain America. This is my Captain America costume. This is my shield and my face mask. Okay friends, end of the video. Bye bye. Happy